In this quick video guide, we're going to see how we can animate a metahuman using mannequins from Unreal Engine and the mannequin animations that we find already in the Unreal Engine packages. And also, you can use this technique for any other animation you find in the marketplace or basically any FBX. So we already imported here a metahuman, and there is already a idle animation applied, and sometimes this works better, sometimes less, but it's pretty fine right now. And we're gonna also do some other videos about this, so stay subscribed, and if you didn't already, subscribe to the channel. So you can see here I am selecting the blueprint of the metahuman, and I am selecting the body inside the hierarchy here, and I have this animation applied. So I can clear that out, I can change to something here, just to get rid of that. And this is the A pose. This is usually the way you're gonna find the metahuman once you have drag it and drop it inside your scene. And we already talked about this in other videos, so if you want, you can check the Unreal Engine video course and the playlist that you find here in this channel, in this YouTube channel. So I'm gonna go here in the content drawer to get the animation. So where do I get the animation? If you use the third person template, you have it ready. Otherwise, you can go here to the add button and you can add the feature or content pack and select one of the packages that you find as templates in Unreal Engine 4 or others also version of the engine. So we want to get this third person package and content. So we select that, you click on add to project, and that's going to add extra content to your project if you didn't start already again with the third person. So you either open up the content browser window from the window selection, or you go down to the bottom and open up the content drawer. Either way, you can now access in the content here the characters folder, and that's where you find the mannequins. You have mannequin UE4, but we only have one animation here, and then you have the other like previous mannequins. In the animation you have some more. Now you have a female and a male folder, which is Manny and Queen. Now we're gonna use Queen, which is the female, because we're using a female metahuman, so this is probably more appropriate. I've already used the idle, so let's go for the other animations here. And to do this, we need to retarget. We need to use a specific feature. So we select the animation we want, and again, you can import more if you want from the marketplace, or we're going to see other examples in other videos, but let's use this one here. So right click and look for the retarget animation asset feature or function. So we can just click there. Now this may change a little bit from version to version, but the basic things stay the same, which is you need to select a source from where you're gonna get the animation, and the target, which is gonna be your metahuman. And so in this example, the source will be the mannequin animation, and the source will be our metahuman. Now we can go into the IK retarget and we can choose the RTG metahuman. So this is gonna put the metahuman body in both the source and the target. So that's not really what we want to do, because right now we don't have any animation in the body right now. So we just need to select where we want to get the animation from. And the animation in here is coming from the mannequin. So the queen mannequin. So we need to look for the queen mannequin in there. So let's just type queen, and you can see you have two skeletal mesh that are using that animation. So let's go for the standard one, not the simple one, but you can try both. So let's start with the simple one, and then the other one will be the met body, or well, make sure it's the metahuman body anyway. So once you click on retarget, it's going to create a new animation, which is in green color. And it's going to position it in the main content folder. So what you can do is create with the right click, you can create a new folder, call that custom animations, and you can just put there all the animation that you want to try out. So I'm gonna click and drag the little asset and just select move here. And now I have those two, the idle and the walking. Now let's close the Add Content to Project window there. Let's select the blueprint PIA, which is your MetaHuman main asset. And inside, again, we select the body, we select use animation asset, and now we can do both two things. We can either click and drag and drop it in that area, or we can just click and select from the list. So click and select, search for the walk, and then select it. And now you can see it's immediately walking around. So make sure that the hands are looking quite strange, I believe, because maybe there are some missing bones in there. So the other way is just click and drag and drop. And this is the idle, which works a little bit better. But you see the hands, they're not behaving like extremely well. Probably we can do way better with other types of animation. But this is just to show you how you can use this retargeting feature, and how you can use it with the MetaHuman and the mannequin. Let's try to do another one. So I'm gonna go back to the mannequins, and I'm gonna go back to Queen. And again, I will select one. Let's finish with the run. So we have idle, walk, and run. We have all of them. Select retarget, and again we are back in this scheme. And we may try to use, other of these IK retargeter, so maybe they are more appropriate for this. You can make some more tests and let us know in the comments. But anyway, I'm gonna go again with this is another one referring to the MetaHuman, so I can try also this. And in here, maybe I have a couple of options. You have the simple and the standard. So I'm gonna try with the simple. And then click on retarget, wait, animation will be generated. Just drag it and drop it into the body and see what's gonna happen. And you can continue to make some more tests and see if something works better than other. And this looks a little bit better, but it's pretty fast, so you need to make sure you need to check in there. And again, if you're looking for more, you can go in the marketplace, just look for animation or character animation. You can find a lot of other assets that are for sale, or sometimes they're free. You need to look for in there. So this will be all for this video guide, and if you enjoyed, please subscribe to stay updated for more videos, and also to check other video guides and courses in the channel dedicated to similar topics. So you can continue here again to search. So if you're interested, there is an entire video course, an entire playlist dedicated to Unreal Engine. Also, please join the channel as a supporter so that we can create more videos and that you can support us and thank us properly. So thank you. See you in the next.